because the Parliamentary Select Committee on Health has given Minister for Health, Kweku Ejimemenu, 2 hours to appear before it to brief MPs on the shortage of essential vaccines. The minister and officials from the Health Ministry were expected to meet the committee this morning, but after hours of sitting and waiting, none of the invited officials showed up. Member of the committee, Mohammed Muntaka Mubarak, says the conduct of the minister is unfortunate and disrespectful. Parliamentary Affairs correspondent Kweku Asante joins us with more. Kweku, what is the committee's next line of action?
So as we speak, the committee is currently still in the committee room. They've dispatched a letter to the Health Ministry giving the minister 2 hours to appear before the committee. Just like Muntaka Mubarak has said, he says that the minister's refusal or failure to appear before the committee is disrespectful, and that the minister is not taking the committee seriously. And because of this, they are not adjourning. They are going to sit there and wait till 2 o'clock in 2 hours' time for the minister to appear before them and brief them on the shortage of these essential vaccines. They say that if he's unable to do so, they will take some critical actions against him. But for now, they are waiting for the next 2 hours for him to appear.
We also know, was there any communication as to why the minister didn't come?
Usually when such committee meetings are scheduled and ministers or people who are expected to appear are unable to do so, the practice is for them to write to the clerk of the committee explaining why exactly that has not been done. Our understanding is that that has not been done in this case, that the committee is at loss as to why exactly the minister did not appear before the committee. And the ranking member of the committee himself, Pabda Mintakando, says he actually followed up the invitation with a call, spoke with the minister. The minister did not give him any indication that he was not going to come. And so they are quite surprised that he has not appeared before the committee, has also not written to them explaining his absence. And it's for this reason that they have asked him to appear before the committee in 2 hours before they take some other actions against him.
We also know about the meeting with the committee of the whole with the Electoral Commission. Did the chair turn up for the meeting today, and what has been transpiring at the meeting?
So the committee of the whole meeting has not started. If you look at the other paper, it says that the meeting is expected to happen today at 12 noon. 12 noon has just passed. The MPs are asking questions on the floor to the Minister for Youth and Sports. He's asking some questions. But our understanding is that Madam Jean Mensah is still not around in Parliament at the moment. But the indication is that the minority want to press ahead. They want to see her appear. Last week around this time, officials from the Electoral Commission had already arrived in Parliament. Dr. Sribo Kweku and the Dr. Bos Manasari. Today, none of these officials are around at the moment, or I can see them in the chambers of now. And our understanding is that Madam Jean Mensah is still not around. We expect that when these questions are asked of the Youth and Sports Minister and is finished, there will be some laying of papers, after which Parliament will go into a committee of the whole. At that time, some questions will be asked of why Jean Mensah is not around. We don't know if she's in the country at the moment, whether she has arrived from Nigeria, as the explanation that came in last week, and whether she will come at all. But as of now, she is not in Parliament.
Kweku Asante is our Parliamentary Affairs correspondent. Will definitely bring you more from Parliament as it unfolds in our subsequent bulletins. Now,